What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to make an end card template for your videos and step by step how you can use it in your outros as you end your videos. Coming up next. Alright guys, let's get to it. So the free software that we're going to be using is used by a website called Snappa, snappa.com. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and log in now. I already have an account, so let me go ahead and proceed here. So what I'm going to do now is make a custom graphic. The custom graphic, the pixels for an HD image or video is going to be 1920 by 1080. 1080, and then I'm going to create that. So now that I've got this created in Snappa, I'm going to swing over to YouTube and now log into my video manager. I actually already have it opened up here, and I want to choose one of the videos I'm not really using that I can use as an example. Let's try this Rob Moore intro. Once you get into your back office, not back office, but the YouTube video manager, you would then go down to here where it says end screen. I'm going to click on here, and this is where your end screen template kind of shows up. Now the end screen is for the last 20 seconds of your video. This over here are your elements. So your elements are what you can choose that's going to show up on your end screen. For instance, you want to have a subscribe button because you want to, obviously promote, getting users to subscribe to your channel. And we'll push this maybe over here. That's what that icon will look like. And you can add another element to show a video or a playlist. I'm going to choose create. I'm going to choose best for viewer. So the type of viewer that comes across your channel, YouTube is going to automatically suggest what video will be shown to that user. So I'm going to create that element and then put this right about here. So notice this is the screen, and this little blue border that's going across, that's what you really want to focus on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to copy this image here, booyah, and then I'm going to swing back over to Snappa, and I'm going to upload that image. So I believe you go into graphics, upload an image, choose that image that you just copy from your YouTube video editor. This is an old one. Double click, and it should then pop up over here. Then you want to resize it so it fits in that box, like such. And like I said, all you're really doing is using this image as a template. So now what you want to do, you want to go into the shapes, and you kind of want to make these boxes. I'm going to double click on this one and then resize that so that it fits in this box like such, and go back into shapes, double click it so the circle pops up, and you want to also resize this as well. With your keyboard you can actually move it just a tad bit for finer refinements. Now just tap tap tap, down down, then over. That's good enough. So now I want to roll down this opacity so that background disappears. And now I want to find a background image to put on there. Let me see. Let me just choose something quickly. Something that's going to jump out at me. That blue looks cool. I'm going to double click on that in the meantime and add some text. Double click. Okay, so now that we have some text, I'm just going to write subscribe. Let's make that in all caps. highlight over here, and let's duplicate that layer. Subscribe will go here. And what did YouTube say that was in card? What was the name of that element? It was best for viewer. So let's say that's called YouTube suggested. And type. We'll use that for now. Align that. Subscribe here. I can't really see the subscribe. Let's change that color. Double clicked on that. This is where you change the color to white so you can actually see it. We'll do the same thing here. Okay, so now that I have the YouTube suggested, I'm actually gonna change this font. Go into text. Where are you? YouTube suggested Oswald. Oh. And this one as well. Now, I also kind of like to have a video plan as this video closes out. So I'm going to go into shapes and just generate one more. Actually, I'll even make it easy just so the resolution and everything is the same. I'm just going to duplicate that layer. How about that? All right. Now I'm going to go and download this image. High res one more time. Here we go. And then this is what your template will look like. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to export this video and put it into Final Cut Pro, and then show you how it looks as I end this video. So now that I'm in the actual Final Cut, what I have done is imported the image here, and I've actually cropped my ending video as I outro in this video, so that it shows up in that middle square that you saw me make earlier. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you got your value, please click on that thumbs up button. Click on the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload a new video. I do upload videos once a week, so you don't want to miss out on anything. Until next time, guys, talk to you soon.